even the midfielders and the strikers, we're all putting in the shift defensively as a unit, and we're trying our hardest to defend as a team. So it's definitely a team effort, and but again, the defenders who throw their bodies on the line, and Wayne, who makes a couple of good saves as well throughout the campaign, is definitely makes it easy to play from them.
Is it summed up by the captain?
Yeah, I think so, and not just him, all the defenders as well that have come in and done really well. Our wing backs, our goalkeeper, I think the whole mentality in this group has been terrific, and everybody's fighting for each other.
I have to ask the question, you're going to be watching the Cyprus-Belgium match tonight?
Yeah, I think so. Well, hopefully I'll get back now in time to watch the second half, and fingers crossed.
If you still need a point out of 2 games left, is there any danger things start to get a little edgy, or is the squad quite comfortable with it?
No, I think this squad is, has got a lot of experience in it. A lot of the players play. For top clubs around the world, and have a lot of caps between them. So, we haven't been in this position before, but I think our experience will definitely help us in that. And we've done a remarkable job so far. So there's no point being too down about tonight. We're still top of the group, and with a couple of games to play. So. We're looking forward to them.
You must feel that you can go to Bosnia and get a point with the kind of resilience that you've shown throughout this campaign.
Yeah, absolutely. We feel like we could go there and grab all 3 points. That's the confidence in this team at the moment. So hopefully we'll be able to do that, and have a successful end to what has been a great campaign for us.
Would it almost be, obviously you wanted to finish the job here in front of your own fans, but would there almost be a slight sort of positivity about the fact that you could do it away from home, show that kind of resilience, and also the fans that have followed you throughout this campaign, obviously in Belgium, Nicosia, even in Andorra, they travelled, didn't they? And I expect it's something similar over.
The fans have been unbelievable, home and away. They've travelled in their numbers, sometimes, it's a bit easier playing away from home because teams are actually trying to attack and score, which makes it a bit more an open game. We've seen today it can be quite difficult at times when a team gets 10, 11 players behind the ball. But we'll be full of confidence going there.
As Wales' reputation grows, are you going to have to start getting used to that? Do you think teams coming here, and perhaps in the past coming in thinking they're going to win, and this time thinking, do you know what, we'll settle for a draw?
Yeah, I think so. But we're just going to have to be more clinical in front of goal. We created a few opportunities tonight, but not. We didn't put the ball in the back of the net, which was disappointing for all the good play that we did.
Did you feel you might have could have got your head on that one? Did it look a more difficult chance?
Yeah, it was.
When you're doing it,
the ball was spinning a lot,
yeah.
It come off and went over or wide or whatever. But there we go. Then things happen. But like I said, we're still very positive.
Do you feel like you've actually learned a little bit actually from this game as well, in terms of how you can then approach teams that will sit in? Because
I think so. It's important in these sort of games just to be patient, keep moving the ball quickly, side to side, and to sort of wear them down, and a gap will open up sooner or later, and you just have to take that opportunity, and then the game will just open up and take care of itself.